Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can turn off your email notifications on Pinterest. If you don't want to get disturbed by the Pinterest at all via email, you can do it like this. Let's go to the bottom right corner and click on Saved or your profile picture on your Pinterest. And now, as you can see on the top right corner, there's this hexagon. We press on the hexagon and there is notification options, which is the fourth from the top. And now they're on Pinterest by email or by push to notification. We really want to go to the second option, and there are all the notifications you'll get from Pinterest. There's a very useful thing. You can turn off all. They are just ask you if you're sure, but yeah, turn off all. And now you won't be disturbed by any notifications from Pinterest. Maybe it will suit you, maybe it won't. If you want to enable it again, just press turn on, and now you can manually enable or disable the notification. But I believe 90% of you will just go with turn off all. Yeah, so that's about it. Thanks for watching.